Hey guys, what's happening? How to block adult videos on YouTube. So to block adult videos on YouTube, you can enable restricted mode within your YouTube app or use the iPhone's screen time feature to limit adult content on the entire device. So go ahead to the settings, right? And then scroll a little bit down to find screen time. Okay. Scroll a little bit down to find content and privacy restrictions. Make sure to turn it on, right? And then basically that's it. Okay. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.